I answer every one question. So whatever question you have, you can ask it in the comment section. I will try to answer as soon as possible. Hello friends, welcome to today's video and to the Terrace Gardening at Home YouTube channel. Do you want lots of buds on your marigold plant? If you want your marigold plant to bloom profusely, then you simply watch this video completely. You need to apply the fertilizer shown in this video to your marigold plant. To ensure the plant remains lush and green, produce as many buds. You should keep the plant in a sunny spot or at least in a location that receives 5 to 6 hours sunlight. Soil well and fertile soil. The topsoil should be dry at the time of applying fertilizer. On the other hand, you can see how much water to give and when. Add enough water so that the soil remains slightly moist at all times, as you can see the soil of this pot. So to maintain this level of moisture, you can add a little water every day or every 1 to 2 days. And in this type of moist soil, the plant will remain healthy and full of flowers and buds. Now let's talk about fertilizer. Will adding fertilizer make the plant bloom with lots of flowers? To do this, soak lemon peel and banana peel in water in an oval container and leave them in a shady place for 2 to 4 days. You can then mix this liquid fertilizer with water and pour it onto the plant. Along with this, add a small amount of cow dung liquid manure. Now apply this prepared liquid fertilizer to your marigold plant. Applying it once every 7 to 10 days will keep the marigold plant healthy and full of flowers and buds. Just 6 days later, you can see how many more flowers have bloomed on both marigold plants. For the flowers to continue blooming and buds to keep forming, remove the withered flowers. Doing this will ensure that your plant continually produces new buds and flowers. Thank you for watching the video.